I hope you're ready. Can you find the odd chipmunk? Great job. Welcome to SparkJoy Puzzles and our Find the Odd One Out Animal Edition. Leave a comment with your score at the end of the video. Can you find the odd kitten? Well done. Keep an eye out for our friend Jazz. She's hiding somewhere in the video. One penguin isn't like the others. Can you find it? Where's the different duck? Now we're getting harder. Find the odd dolphin. Nice work. Can you spot the odd parrot? There's a different turtle in there somewhere. Can you find it? Here's the answer. Where's the odd lamb? Now we're getting difficult. Where's the odd hippo? One skunk isn't like the others. Do you see it? Did you find Jazz? If you did, give yourself 5 bonus points and leave a comment where you found her. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more SparkJoy puzzles. Try one of these challenges next. Good luck!